everyone. In this video, we are going to solve question number 10 of exercise 8.1. Question says, in triangle PQR, right angle at Q, PR plus QR is equals to 10 centimeter and PQ is equals to 5 centimeter. We have to determine the value of sin P, cos P and tan P. So in this right angle triangle, right angle at Q, this PQ is given to us as 5 centimeter and the sum of PR and QR is 25. Now, I have to find these ratios. Obviously, to find a trigonometric ratio, I must know all three individual sides of a right angle triangle. But here, one side is given to me, but the sum of other two sides is given to me. So, let's assume that if this side is x, so obviously this side must be 25 minus x. Okay, that means if the sum of two numbers, let's say this is the example, how can you understand this? Let's say the sum of two numbers is 25. If one number is 10, obviously the other number should be 15. If one number is 20, so the other number must be 5. Now, if the one number is x, so obviously the other number must be 25 minus x. Okay, this is how we have find out the other number. That if the sum of two number is 25 and if one number is 20, so the other number must be 25 minus 20. Similarly, if one number is x, means if the sum of two numbers is 25 and if one number is x, so other number must be 25 minus x. Okay, so let this number must be x, so this must be 25 minus x. Okay, now use Pythagoras. Using Pythagoras theorem. So in a Pythagoras theorem, it states that in a right angle triangle, the square of its hypotenuse is equal to the square of its base plus square of its perpendicular. Here, my hypotenuse is 25 minus x whole square. My base is 5 and my perpendicular is x square. Now you have to solve this further. One thing is important, when you expand this, use formula to expand this. Okay, only 25 square and x square is a wrong expression. You have to use a minus b whole square to expand this. Okay, so a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square and minus 2 into a into b, and this is 25 and this is x square on the right hand side. So square of 25 is 625, this is x square and this is 50x. This value and this value can be cancelled. Shift this variable to this side and this constant to this side. It should be 625 upon 20 minus, it should be minus 25 and it should be 50x. Okay, now solve this further. This is 600 is equals to 50x. Now the value of x should be 600 upon 50 and this can be cancelled and the value of x here should be 12. So if this perpendicular is 12, obviously hypotenuse will be 25 minus 12, that is 13. So here the hypotenuse is 13, perpendicular is 12 and base is 5. Now I have to find the ratio for sin theta, and here theta is p. So for this p, the perpendicular must be the side opposite to this theta. The ratio for sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular here is 12, hypotenuse is 13. Then I have to find the value of cos p. The ratio for cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. Base here is 5, hypotenuse is 13. And at the last, I have to find the ratio for tan p. That is perpendicular upon base. My perpendicular is 12, my base is 5. So this is how you can solve this particular question. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.